So to finish the introduction to sketching lesson, I'd like to go through a few tips and tricks for sketching, as well as teach you how to save a file. So let's say I'm familiar with. The answer is to just wait. Fusion will give me instructions on what to do. So right now which I'll do at the origin, and now I need to specify the size of the rectangle. So I can specify it using my keyboard and make it 70 by 50 millimeters and enter to save. Now let's say I want to create an arc, but I don't know where the tool is located. What I can do is I can press S to search and search for an arc. I can select the center point arc, place the center point, define the start point, and specify the end point. And as you can see, I've created my arc. Now let's say I finally found the arc in this, and since I use this tool quite often, I don't want to keep on forgetting where it is. So I can create a keyboard shortcut. Now while creating a keyboard shortcut, you have to make sure you aren't creating a shortcut that's already mapped to something else. For instance, if I had it as C for center point arc, issue because it conflicts with center diameter circle. Instead, what I'll do is I'll make it shift plus space, which does not conflict with anything. So now once I press shift plus space, I have the center point arc tool ready. I can create another arc and as you can see, it works the same. Now I'm quite happy with this sketch and I'd like to save it. So either click on the save button or press Ctrl S to save. I need to specify the name of the project and I need to specify the location. I can create a new folder if I'd like, but for now I'm just going to save it under projects.